come back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The dollar's resurgence on expectation of a third straight bumper rate hike by the Fed this week also put paid to Friday's early rally in crude. A jump in the U.S. oil rig count to 736 was another negative. Will this even dominate Friday's headlines on oil inconspicuously hiking on the market? However, was the image of a Putin rendered somewhat similar by his Ali Modi after the Indian premier expressed the serious passion for the war in Ukraine. I know that today's era is not an era of war, and I have spoken to you on the phone about this, the Indian leader told Putin as they sat on the sidelines of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization summit with the Russian president, who has tried to use as a showcase of his alliance with China and India. How Modi and China's leader Xi Jinping respond to Putin and the war in Ukraine is important to court praises, particularly from the perspective on the price cap on Russian oil that the group of 7 countries want to impose from December to limit what Moscow can earn from its energy export to fund the war against Ukraine. For the record, India dismisses the G7 oil price cap, saying energy security needs and economic will with great processes by its refiners, but within that direction was India's second admission that the lower the price of Russian crude, the more the demand from Indian refiners will be, and that basically underscores the aim of the oil price cap is the reduced Russian revenues for oil. Crude importing nations led by China and the United States also get to see lower price for a barrel in the future market when discounted Russian oil runs on the physical market, pressuring competing barrels from Saudi Arabia and other producers. Russia can, of course, export more barrels at reduced prices to make up for lost revenue, but that's not what Putin nor the Saudis want. China see also refrained from embracing Putin exuberantly this week over the war in Ukraine that forced the Russian leader to publicly acknowledge the well-balanced position of all China's friends in connection with the Ukraine crisis. In a future concession, Putin said on Friday, Russia will uphold its energy commitments if the was lifts its restriction against the Russian Nord Stream 2 gas pipeline that runs across the bloc. Just a couple of weeks ago, Putin virtually held oil and gas export ransom in Russia dealing with the West. It's a fact. Putin's scare talk on energy is getting less scary this day, said Josh Kilduff, partner at New York energy hedge fund against Capital, and Russian key allies India and China. So this week they are more like fair weather friends than one that would stand with Putin in the eye of the storm. Oil market settlement and activity. New York traded West Texas Intermediate did a final trade of $85.40 per barrel after settling the official session just a cent higher at $85.11. For the week, the U.S. crude benchmark was down almost 2%, adding to the near 7% loss over the prior weeks. London traded Brent did a final trade of $91.57 after settling the official session up $0.51 or 0.6% at $91.35 per barrel. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.